Before you get into working with Rev, it's a good idea to get oriented. In this video, I'll take you through the Rev dashboard so you can get acquainted with where to find all the features you'll need to use Rev. Let's start with the left-hand navigation menu. This is your Rev Command Center. Here you'll find workspace management, calendar integrations, and customization options for your AI summaries and templates. All of your core Rev functions live right here in this sidebar. Now let's look at file uploads, the heart of Rev. You have several ways to get your content into Rev. The most straightforward is the Browse Files area in the center of your dashboard right here. Simply drag and drop individual files or entire folders, and Rev will process each one automatically. Rev also integrates with your favorite file storage solutions like Dropbox, Google Drive, and OneDrive. Just click and connect and import directly from these platforms. If you have a video URL from Vimeo, YouTube, or another platform, you can paste the link directly into Rev and will automatically scrape and upload the video to your workspace. On the right-hand side here, you'll see your calendar integration. Once you connect your Google or Microsoft Calendar, you can view your upcoming meetings and easily toggle Rev's AI note taker to join your calls with just one click. Below that, you'll find your recent files, which are a quick way to jump back into your latest work. You can also access your files through the My Files section in the left-hand side of the navigation if that's easier for you. Finally, let's cover a few additional features at the top. The Record button lets you capture conversations directly within Rev with just one click. Additionally, the Add Files dropdown gives you another way to upload content if you prefer not to use the drag and drop area. And the Settings menu is where you'll manage your subscription and account preferences. Well, that's it for today. We'll get more in depth with all the features I mentioned in upcoming videos, so be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more. Until next time, see you soon.